Hi there! No smart TV is complete without apps, right? So here is a video about 10 must-have apps on your MeTV Pro series. Hey, who are you? I'm texting. What? I'm texting. No, I am. Anyway, what are you doing here? I'm here to talk about the 10 must-have apps on your MeTV Pro series. Alright, so let's do this together. This is your friend texting. Let's get started! The first app is Sideload Launcher. Download this from the Play Store on your MeTV. The benefits of this launcher is quick access, and it also displays apps that don't show up in the Android TV app launcher, like Netflix and Movie HD. Apps align alphabetically. To use this launcher more efficiently, add it to favorites, and on the home page you can move it ahead for quick access. Must-have app. Aptoide TV is an unofficial alternate app store. There are many such apps on the Aptoide TV that aren't available even on the Play Store. You will have to sideload Aptoide TV app. I'll leave the APK link in the description. For those who want to know how to download and install the Aptoide TV on your MeTV Pro series, click the card up here to see a detailed video of how to install apps. Also like to mention is that many more apps that I'm going to mention in this video come from Aptoide TV. So make sure you have the Aptoide TV installed on your MeTV Pros. VLC Player is the best media player for any Android device. Download it from the Play Store. VLC Player plays almost all video formats that you throw at it. Yes, 4K MKVs, MP4s and many more. Playing subtitles is also convenient. Simply place the SRT subtitle file in the movie folder and it works flawlessly. Legendary TV is an app to watch TV channels using your Wi-Fi connection. You can install Legendary TV from the APK that I'm leaving in the description. Let's have a quick demo. You don't need to install any third-party video player for this to work. Make sure you have a fast and unlimited internet connection. TTV is an app for you to watch international Hollywood movies and sitcoms. Download the app from Aptoide TV app. Search for T Movie Guide. Let's see a quick demo. Let's play Bird Box. You can choose to play with subtitles or without it as well. The good thing about this app is you don't need to install any video player. It plays 1080p and 720p videos perfectly fine. Must have for every movie buff. Since we are talking about movies, you can't skip Amazon Prime. No Amazon Prime on Play Store, so Aptoide TV to the rescue. Make sure you search and download Prime Video's Android TV. Let's install and see a demo. Videos run smoothly at 1080p. You can change and set subtitles without any problem. There is a huge collection on Amazon Prime Videos. Yes, you do need subscription to access it, a must-have app. File Commander is a file explorer app which you have to download from the Play Store. You can browse and play files from your pen drive and internal memory. You can easily transfer between the two as well. Here is a demo. We shall copy the Honor 4 JPG on the pen drive to the download folder on the MeTV's internal memory. There you go. So here is the Honor 4 unboxing thumbnail. If you want to see this video, you can click the card up here or see the link in the description. It's a must-have app. You can also transfer files to the MeTV's internal memory using a PC transfer option. Simple and quick. So here is the Firefox browser. Firefox browser can be downloaded from the Aptoide TV. Search and download Firefox for TV. Let's have a quick look. So the Firefox browser works perfectly with the MeTV remote. You don't need the mouse remote, you don't need a regular mouse. The MeTV remote is enough for navigation. Ghana app for all music lovers. Download this from Aptoide TV. Make sure you download the Ghana Android TV app. And there you go, you can play all the songs that you want from here. And the best part is yet to be seen. And the best part of all this is when you play your favorite song. So for example, your song is playing and you're enjoying the song. What you can do is put the screen off. There you go. And the music still continues to play. You can raise the volume from the remote and you can decrease the volume as well. To turn on the screen, simply press the power button on the remote and there you go. There is immense amount of collection here. Highly recommended. I'm not going to play too many because of copyright issues, but you can play songs from here directly. There's tons and tons of songs here. You can just play them from here directly, as well as you can turn off the screen so the power consumption is bare minimal. And finally, Gio Cinema. You can sideload this using the APK link in the description. Gio Cinema has good collection of movies. English, Hindi, regional, new, old, and it goes without saying the quality is excellent. But here's the hitch. So to log into Gio Cinemas, you will need genuine Gio credentials. Yes, I know some of you don't have Gio numbers, but it's just a one-time thing. So for example, you enter your friends or relatives or anyone who has a Gio number, take an OTP from them and you enter it just once. And that's it, you're sorted. You can use Gio Cinema on your Me TV and it works flawlessly. They have a huge collection. Please don't expect a collection as large as Netflix or Amazon Prime. You do get some latest movies at times and it's worth checking out. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if these apps were helpful, if they weren't helpful. Also, if there are any questions, you can write them down in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.